First, log in your account in nocodeapi.com. Once you're logged in, go to the marketplace and look for Netlify. Now click this button and create Netlify API. So first, give it a name, and then you will have to provide the personal access token. For us to get that, go to this website, scroll down, and you will see right here the personal access tokens. You can create a new access token by clicking this button and by giving it a description. Click generate token, and this will be your code. Now copy this one, paste it in the personal access token, and then click create button. Now the API was created successfully. Now to check the list of endpoints, click this use this API button, and you will see right here the list of endpoints. We have list sites, list form submissions, and site submissions. Now here you will see the list of websites that you have on your Netlify account. If you run this test API, this will be the codes on JSON format. You can also check the list of forms. Just provide the site ID. Checking here on JSON format, this will be the site ID. Click on test API, and you will see here the results. But as for now, I don't have any forms yet on my account, on my Netlify account, because it was just created hours ago. Also the same with list form submissions. Just provide the form ID. You will see it right here once you see the results for the list of forms. Also the same with site submissions. Just provide the site ID as well, and you will see the codes right here on JSON format. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.